Hello friends, in this video we will discuss word formation. So word formation क्या होता है? Word formation means इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में जो सब वर्ड होता है वो कहाँ से आते हैं या फिर कैसे बनता है वो सब हम जानेंगे. देर आर मेनी प्रोसेस राइट. देर आर बहुत टाइप का प्रोसेस होता है लाइक कंपाउंडिंग, कन्वर्जन, बैक फॉर्मेशन, डेरिवेशन. सो वी विल डिस्कस देम वन बाय वन. द फास्ट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कंपाउंडिंग. सो कंपाउंडिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? कंपाउंडिंग मीन्स दिस प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्स combining two or more existing words in order to form a new word. सो यहाँ पर दो न्यू वर्ड्स वो मिलके वर्ड बनाते हैं. सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बाय some examples like down, fall. So when we combine these two words, a new word is formatted like downfall, and we always write by a sign that is hyphen between these two existing word. Another example, airtight, food sore, hot house, sweet meat, walk over या फिर tie up etc. So these are examples of compounding. Next, we have the process of derivation. So, what happens? In this process, a new entity is derived not from independent word as in compounding but from a single full word plus a suffix or prefix. So, suffix and prefixes are called as affixes. Okay, छोड़ो. So, हमारा क्या होता है कंपाउंडिंग में? दो न्यू वर्ड से एक न्यू कंपाउंडिंग वर्ड फॉर्मेट होता है. बट इन डेरिवेशन एक न्यू वर्ड रहेगा, दैट मीन्स एक फुल वर्ड रहेगा, उसके साथ किसी एक प्रेफिक्स या सफिक्स मिलके एक न्यू वर्ड फॉर्मेट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉयस मीन्स बॉय plus is ish. So ish is not a full word. Here ish is a सफिक्स. सो सफिक्स वर्ड के बाद में यूज़ होगा तो सफिक्स, वर्ड के पहले यूज़ होगा तो प्रेफिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मल्टी टैलेंटेड. टैलेंटेड इज ए फुल वर्ड, मल्टी इज ए प्रेफिक्स. सो द वर्ड इज मल्टी टैलेंटेड. इनसेपरेबल, सेपरेबल इज ए फुल वर्ड but in is a prefix. Okay. Decode, code is a word, d is a prefix. So this is known as derivation. Our next process is clipping. So what is clipping? This is the most common form of word formation by shortening. So we can say that of a simple abbreviation. This process is clipping. In this process, the word may be lobed at either end. So what remains over is the new word. That means what happens from both the side. Some letters are dropped from either ends. This is known as clipping. Like freeze from refrigerator, photo from photograph, uh, drawing from withdrawing, spite from despite, loan from alone. So the middle portion is our new word. From both ends we drop something, right? So this is our clipping process. This process is a shift of one part of speech into another. This is also known as functional shift. So the form of the word remain unchanged, but it is used in a different grammatical function. So makes it a new word. In this case, we don't need to change the word whether by shortening or by adding. So हम क्या करते हैं? एक वी जस्ट चेंज द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो नाउन होता है उसे हम यूज़ करते हैं एज ए वर्ब, या फिर जो वर्ब होता है वी यूज द सेम वर्ड एज ए नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेल we can use it as a noun as well as we can also use it as a verb. Another example, breeze. I can say breeze as a noun. There is a breeze over the river. Okay. It breezed the gap. Here breeze is used as a verb. So when we just change the part of speech, this process is known as conversion. In this process or in blending, the beginning of a word is added to the end of another word and subtracting what's between. Example, let's take Smoke. So smoke is a word formed by this process blending. So this is formed by two words, smoke and fog. So how does it formatted? The beginning of one word. Smokes beginning word is smo smo, and from fogs some last letter like og. So the new word is smoke. Motel. Motel is derived from motorist and hotel. Like floss. Floss is derived from flash and boss by this process of blending. Our last process is author's or poet's contribution. So, what is this? The etymological meaning of a poet is maker. So, poet means he is the maker, and in a very literal and sense, some of the great English poets may be said to be the makers of the English language. For example, Geoffrey Chaucer had introduced many words like attention, duration, fraction, position, etc. So, this is our author's contribution. So, in conclusion, word formation is a key way language evolve. It allows to create new words by adding parts to existing ones or by combining different words or borrowing from other languages. Thank you.